hapon sa atong tanan. Nag-video ko karon, nag-live di ay ko. Akong gisuwayan nga. Gisuway na sa akong live karon kay para malaman ng mga viewers na I'm still alive. Kantahan din ako akong mga viewers. So, heroes. And there's a hero. If you look inside your heart, if you have to feel the same of what you are, and there's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the sorrow that you know will melt away. And then a hero comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast the fear inside, and I know I will survive. So when you feel my heart is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth. When the hero lies you, it's a long road. When the world alone, and the only chance for me to hold, looking for love. Murag paminaw na ako, murag wala siya